I don't want to scare the deer.
Just go ahead, shoot top. She'll be fine.
This camera's
Turn
getting
around.
I'll edit that out.
What'd you say?
No, I just pushed the camera. It's already filming.
I want to be the vlogger. Can I be the cameraman? Shut up!
Alright, welcome back to Maribel's Amazing Adventure. Today we're meeting up with Mike and Stacy and the kids, and we're going to go do some fishing out by
And the deer.
the 50 bridge. It's been raining like crazy. Obviously we're not on the boat today, but we're going to go try to have some fun anyways. See you out there.
Oh, you're slimy. Don't me.
What you got there, babe?
A little baby catfish.
A little baby catfish.
Yeah. So hard out. Yes, I know. I'm trying, guys. Got some pretty hard plates right there.
Really? It's a weird looking little sucker.
I have my, please. And by the way, they're sharp and they will hurt.
Really?
Yeah. They might actually touch and they will hurt. Squeezing the crap out of them. Come on, stop. Stop wiggling. Relax and cut a catfish. Smallest catfish. He's got it.
Doesn't matter. You're fishing. Look at that. Mike's crushing them out here. Can't do that. Look at this guy.
Look at that thing.
Look at him. Monster.
Thing's gonna come steal it. Oh.
It must be at school. I'm just sitting out.
I can get up I can throw
Both
it.
times the second it hit the water.
Alright. Dang, that's a monster. That's a sandwich there.
That's a dinner plate. It's purple.
Look at that sucker.
That was purple.
Man, we could catch a cooler full of those things. We'd be...
Not eating them.
No.
I don't think I would eat them.
I'm not eating them out of St. John's River.
Bloop, bloop. Fish are getting wild out here. They don't care about no wind. There you
There
go.
you go, babe. Come on. There you go.
Look at that guy. Great job, Mike. Way to get him in the boat.
Wait, what?
Just kidding. We're on land. happened to him?
He came off. That was the epic catch and release.
Yeah. Today is all about quantity, not quality. Sleep.
Sleep at the wheel. Stacy, what do you have to say for yourself on that? You're sleeping at the wheel. It happens to the best of us, don't worry about it. Stacy has a designated caster because she's a pro like that. Hold them up. Show us what you got.
Give me a kiss.
Kiss him.
Kissy.
Just one little peck on the lips.
Little pecker. Here, I'll take him off the hook before you peck him. Here you go. Give him a little kissy.
Just a little one.
Here, he'll give you a little kissy.
Great job, Stace.
Catfish!
What is it?
It's a catfish. Man, look how little he is.
Oh my god.
He's so cute. I want to keep him.
Put him in the tank?
I want to keep him and name him George.
Why George?
I don't know. George of the jungle?
No.
We're not in the
Oh,
jungle.
what's stuck to his side?
What do you mean what's stuck to his side?
Just spots?
It's a spotted catfish.
Oh, I was unsure.
He's slimy.
Catfish is like-
No, but he's so smooth. Like, I don't think he likes that too much. Please don't spine me.
Yeah, I see. Wah, 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 wah.
Hello. Welcome to Belle's Adventures. We're headed in from the rain. It's starting to pour. We're getting wet, but we caught lots of fish.
That would be an outro, not an intro. That'll work. Anyway, so we stopped here under the 520 bridge by the St. John River. It's been raining for 2 days. So we're not on the boat because the weather's just too bad. So we figured we'd come out here, try to mess around a little bit. Caught a couple fish, had some fun. Now we're gonna go eat some pizza.